See this 4-bedroom 2-bath home close to Lake Winnebago and MENOMINEE Park. This unique bi-level home has the main floor entrance from attached tandem garage. Open concept floor plan will please you. Plenty of kitchen counter space, nice pantry, large dining area, and charming living room with gas fireplace. The natural daylight from these rooms is truly amazing. The upper level hosts large master bedroom, bath and walk-in closet. The library opens to the Enchanting family room with another bay of windows showing start September 4th. Seller looking at all offers Tuesday, September 7th, 8 p.m.